Hello and welcome to the class of Elastic Cache. So now the cluster is available for us. So this is my cluster 1 that we have created. So now it is available. So we can see the description that this is cluster 1, status is now available, availability zones, number of nodes and everything we can find out here. So these are the number of nodes. We can add node also. When it is created, at what end all information is available. Now if we want to create a node, that means we can add a node to this with availability. So that means anytime we want to add some nodes to it, we can add it. And we can copy endpoint also. So now we will expand, like this is Amazon Elastic Memcached engine or a cluster that we have defined. So this is my cluster. Select, we can modify this cluster. That means if we require to modify this cluster, we can modify it. That means we can have security group, we can modify parameters, windows, we can topic for SNS and everything we can modify in a cluster, which is right now available. We can reboot it, delete it, we can modify and we can manage tags. So now it's a cluster. We click on it. We can add number of nodes to add. 1, add. So node name 0001 with the port I have added. Now this is in synchronization. That means we can add like this, we can add number of nodes. So we can scale the capacity. That means we can increase the capacity of this cluster by adding the number of nodes. So this is how to add memcached engine and node. So similar to this, we have redis. So we will create an Amazon Elastic Cache cluster using redis nodes. We can create a replication group and we can set up read replica. So we have to sign into AWS Management Console and Elastic Cache service. So now in Amazon Elastic Cache cluster, we require to select redis cache. Let's create this. So now we are selecting Redis. This is in-memory data structure stored as database cache message broker. Now Redis setting. What is the name? Cluster 2. Can give description, engine, port, compatibility. We can create this. So now it is creating. This is my cluster 2 is my Redis cluster. Cluster 1 is my memcached cluster. So this is how to create Elastic Cache using Redis nodes. Now similar to this, we can add node in this cluster also. We can set up a read replica. We can set up primary. So now it is taking some time to create. We can again backup. We can set various parameter groups, subnet groups, events. Now this is my Redis. You can see the memcached also. Memcached is modifying because we have added with modification. Redis is creating. So this is how to create a Redis cluster.